In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay background music in Wix. To get started, head over to wix.com and open the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. First, sign in to your Wix account, then choose the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. This will take you into the editor where you can add and configure your background music. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to add a music player. Click the Add Elements button, then go to the Video and Music section. From there, choose a music player or audio element that fits your site. After selecting it, drag it onto your page. If you need more advanced playback features, you can also explore the Wix app market for a music app that offers extra control. After adding the player, click on it and look for the option to change or manage the audio. This is where you can upload your music file, such as an MP3, or select a file that's already in your media library. Once your audio is connected to the player, save your changes so everything is properly updated. Now it's time to check whether autoplay is available. Select the music player again, open its settings, and look for an autoplay option. If the player supports it, turn autoplay on and save the settings. It's important to know that even when this option is enabled, some browsers may still prevent audio from starting automatically with sound. That restriction comes from the browser itself, not from Wix. So results can vary depending on the device and browser being used. If you want the music to keep playing continuously, open the player settings one more time and enable loop or repeat if that option is available. This will make the track restart automatically after it ends, which is useful for background music that should stay active throughout the visit. Next, click Preview to test everything before going live. In preview mode, check whether the audio starts automatically, whether the loop setting works as expected, and whether the playback controls function correctly. Since autoplay behavior can differ across browsers and devices, it's a good idea to test more than once if needed. When you're happy with how everything works, click Save, then click Publish. Your music player will now be live on your website. That's it, you've successfully set up background music in Wix and configured it for autoplay if the player and browser allow it.